Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Red Velvet Zimzalabim inspired design. Start off by painting your thumb a dark yellow, your pinky a light yellow, and all of your other nails white. Top coat your index and middle nails. Apply liquid latex around your index finger and then make a gradient on a makeup sponge using 2 shades of light purple, blue, pink, and yellow. Dab it onto the nail until it's opaque and then remove the liquid latex. Use white to make some clouds at the tip of the nail and add some shadows with light gray and purple. Paint some balloons with dark pink, purple, teal, and yellow. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use purple, yellow, pink, and light orange polishes to make a sunset. I used a brush dipped in acetone to blend the colors together to get that kind of watercolor look. Use a light pink polish to make the support beams of the roller coaster. Use a dark pink and white to add shadows and highlights to the frame. Make the roller coaster track with dark pink and then paint over top of it with a sheer pink to make it a bit more muted. Make the roller coaster train with a bright pink polish and then add wheels with a light gray. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use a light pink to make an archway on the nail, making sure to leave some white space at the top. Make a smaller archway inside the first one with a beige polish. Fill in the remaining area with blue. Brush a very small amount of light blue polish over the blue area to get a textured effect. Add some clouds with white. Make a Z above the pink arch with red polish. Add a light gray line on either side of the Z. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use pink to make a spiral on the nail. Make the edges of the spiral jagged so that it looks like tie-dye. Seal in your design with a top coat. Use red painter polish to make Red Velvet's Rev Festival logo. Use navy blue, red, green, and purple polishes to write the Rev Festival. Sealing your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!